So, first of all, we will discuss about simple differences or
Assalamualaikum. My name is Payam Bilal.
I am Numaan Wani, and
Good morning, dear viewers. My name is Syed Inaayat Gul.
I am Numaan Wani, and today I am going to discuss a science fiction movie. Like अगर मैं आप लोगों को बोलूं कि एक मूवी गेस करने के लिए जो बेस्ड है अराउंड मतलब गेटिंग इनटू समवन्स ड्रीम कॉन्शियस माइंड और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, तो आपके दिमाग में पहली मूवी आएगी इंसेप्शन. बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू कि इंसेप्शन वाज नॉट द फर्स्ट मूवी टू कम अप विद दिस आइडिया. ये मतलब जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये इससे 4 साल पहले एक मूवी आई थी 2006 में, पैप्रिका. उसमें ये कॉन्सेप्ट इससे पहले आया था. तो ये पैप्रिका वाज बेस्ड ऑन अ नोवेल with the same name that came up in 1993. So 1993 में the novel came, and 2006 में the movie came out. So Paprika is, in short, Paprika is very similar to Inception and takes you on a journey of mind-boggling visuals. काफी parts में ये movie काफी disturbing है with its visuals and animation style, but जो इसका art है, it will definitely keep you on the edge of your seats. सो ये पूरी जो स्टोरी है, ये एक डिवाइस के अराउंड है जिसका नाम होता है टीसी मिनी, जिस का यूज करके आप दूसरों के ड्रीम्स में जा सकते हैं, दूसरों के ड्रीम्स को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. तो ये अभी अपने प्रोटोटाइप स्टेज में होता है, अभी पूरी तरीके से रेडी नहीं हुआ था, तो ऑब्वियसली गलत हाथों में एक बॉम्ब के बराबर है. और ऑफ कोर्स मूवी बनाने के लिए ये डिवाइस हो जाता है चोरी. तो फिर 1 सेकेंड, हाँ 1 सेकेंड.
okay.
ये मूवी एक थोड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. हाँ, तो जो स्टोरी की मेन कैरेक्टर है डॉक्टर आत्सुको चिबा, वो इस स्टोरी की मेन कैरेक्टर है, जो कि एक रिसर्चर होती है. एंड वो लोगों की जिनको माइंड मतलब मेंटल इश्यूज होते हैं, वो उन लोगों की मदद करना चाहती है इस डिवाइस के साथ, ताकि वो उन्हें ट्रीट कर सके अच्छे से. तो लेकिन जो ही वो उनके ड्रीम्स में जाती है, शी बिकम्स अनदर पर्सन कॉल्ड पैप्रिका. That's it.
That's it. Very good. Huge round of applause. Huge round of applause.
बस ठीक है.
Who's going to speak next?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Payam Bilal from class 10. So today my fictional movie is Avatar. So I think आप सब लोगों ने ये मूवी तो देख ही ली होगी, पर it's a great movie, so I chose it. So it's based on a year 2154 when humans have depleted all the natural resources as we expected today. So uh, so the Resource Development Administration (RDA) mines a valuable mineral unobtainium on Pandora. It's a planet, a fictional planet Pandora, and the species of Pandora is called Navy. It's a 10 foot long blue skinned species, and वो एक गॉड ट्री को वर्शिप करते हैं. तो वहां पर एक बहुत ही वैल्यूबल जो मिनरल पाया जाता है रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से. तो बट द एनवायरनमेंट इज पॉइजनस फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, सो दे कैन नॉट go there easily. So the Resource Development Administration have discovered a way to go there. And what is the way? It's a way that they have made hybrids from human genetical human genetical matched humans. They are hybrids, so they are like the species of Pandora Navy. So the main character of the story, uh, Mike Jake Sully, who is a who is a former marine, goes there and researches on the Pandora planet, and uh, and we see how the species worships the god tree, and they live in a very great way. Like we humans can't live by that way. And he discovered many things there, and but humans are greedy, as we all know. So human have his eyes on that mineral, but the species of their planet does not want to harm their god tree. But humans are, वो हमेशा की तरह हम कहेंगे कि ह्यूमंस लालची थे, और वो उस पेंडोरा के जो मिनरल था उसको वो चाहते ही थे. पर बट देन देयर starts a war, and we see how the species and the main character helps the species to to protect their planet, and that's the movie that is all about the movie. So we got a moral from this movie that technology gave us many things. We can do a lot of things by technology, but if we are not human, if we have not humanity, what is this technology used for? So this concludes my topic, and thanks.
Recording stopped.
Good morning, dear viewers. My name is Syed Inaayat Gul. I'm from class 10, and today our topic is on science fiction movies. And my science fiction movie is Martian. It was released in 2015, but it is based on 2035. It's actually based on a science. It's actually based on a space mission where astronauts go to Mars and collect some samples for some research purpose. But unfortunately, a sandstorm gets in their way. But so they have to evacuate Mars as soon as possible. But due to some technical issues, one astronaut, I don't remember his name, but one astronaut remains on the Martian surface, and he gets injured. So the other crew has left Martian airspace. So now they are continuing their journey to Earth. But our main character, who is still on Mars, uh, who's still on Mars, is now thinking of ways how he can survive on the Martian surface, which is inhabitable for human here for life. So he operated on himself, and he took out the satellite piece which was stuck in his stomach. So he got that out, and he stitched himself, and he performed a surgery to himself by himself. So after that, he had short supply of food, so he grew potatoes on Mars by using his feces and his the crew's feces which were there. So and he created water on Mars, which is very curious. Well, it can happen in certain years. So after that, he knew that the next mission will be on some location, on Martian location, which was 3,000 kilometers away from the landing where he was. So then he set himself on that point. After when he got that point, he repaired the satellites by himself, and then he communicated back to Earth. He communicated back to Earth. So they saw that on Earth, and on Earth space mission, on a space control, NASA, they saw that Martian surface is constantly changing. So, for example, Martian remains are constantly changing. For example, if there are five five remains, there were three the next day, and then there were two. So they knew there is some extraterrestrial activity on Mars. So then they thought, oh, that astronaut survived. So then they informed the whole Earth. They informed everyone on Earth, but they didn't inform the crew which is still in space. So after that they sent supplies to the to crew who was coming back to Earth, and then they moved back to Mars, and he get on that spaceship and return back to home. It's actually a story of the survival on Mars, which which seems to be rare in these days.